In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets with Paperform. It's a simple yet incredibly effective process to streamline your data collection and management. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together to set up this integration seamlessly. First things first, let's prepare your Google Sheet. This is a crucial step because we need to ensure that the spreadsheet is structured correctly to receive the data from your Paperform submission. Take a look at your Google Sheet and make sure that it's organized with the necessary columns. These columns will be the destinations for the data fields from your form, so it's important to have everything squared away before moving on. Once your Google Sheet is all set up, head over to your Paperform account. Open the form you intend to connect with your Google Sheet. In the Paperform editor, navigate to the section labeled After Submission. This is where you can find integrations and webhooks. Integrations in Paperform are incredibly handy. They allow your forms to communicate with other applications, automating the workflow and saving you time. Now, under the Direct Integrations heading, locate the Google Sheets icon. This integration option is what makes the magic happen, linking your form directly to your Google Sheet. Click on the Google Sheets icon to begin setting up the connection. Next, it's time to connect your Google account. Click on the Add Account Plus button. This step will prompt you to log into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. It's important here to ensure that you authorize the connection between Google Sheets and Paperform, giving them permission to work together. This step is vital, as it ensures that Paperform can not only access, but also modify the Google Sheet on your behalf by populating it with data from your form submissions. From here, you are just moments away from having a completed integration. Once authorization is granted, you'll be able to select the specific Google Sheet you prepared earlier from your account. This is the one where all the form data will be directed after each submission. Double check everything to make sure you selected the correct sheet and that the right columns are mapped to the correct fields from your form. If they're misaligned, your data might not populate as intended. And there you have it. In just a few streamlined steps, you've successfully integrated Paperform with Google Sheets. This integration will save you time and effort by automatically sending your form submissions directly to a spreadsheet, keeping all your data organized and easily accessible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.